Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can change the table cell margins in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is you just need to open Microsoft Word. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Now click on the blank document, or if you already have your document which has a table in it, then just simply open that as to where you have saved that. So let me just quickly insert a table. And now this is the table. So how can we increase the cell margins? Well, it's very easy. Just simply select the table. You will notice these four arrows. Click on that. And here you will find these two tabs, Table Design and the Table Layout tab. But if you're not going to select the table, the two tabs at the top will not appear. So you just need to make sure that you select the whole table. Now you have to click on the Table Layout, and here you will find Cell Margins. Click on that. And here you can customize it or change it to your requirement. You have here for the top, bottom, left, and right. So if you want to increase it, simply click on this up arrow. Let's increase this to 0.05 inches. For the bottom, I'm just going to leave it as it is. For the left, I'm going to increase this to 0.1. For the right, also 0.1. I'm just going to click on OK. And that's it. That's how you can easily change the table cells margin in your Microsoft Word table. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.